Hello. Dealing with ECG mostly at the moment. It's a bit unusual because I'm normally doing most doing EEG stuff. Sorry, just distracting social media stuff. Did it today, so this is what the next tool will look like. I think this will be a short one, just an update of what's coming next on Biomedical. So working on this EEG feature extraction, I made quite a few changes to it yesterday, earlier today. Was originally a Labview example, but we had to restructure it quite a bit, and we haven't turned this into API yet. Yeah, it doesn't. We need to do more cleaning up, don't we? The original, I haven't changed the front panel yet. To change that, to still figure out a few things. I remove the while loop from it because we don't need it for the. Why is it appearing there? Some sort of buggy thing. Still on this tool, that's what's coming up on the site. It's taking ECG, different types of ECG, and labeling the different components. And yes, it is generating 3 waveforms for each one of those colors. I wonder to be able to test it properly. This is the backend. Eventually, I have to turn it into API. So I wonder if it's making any mistakes. Check the normal one. Not sure why it's marking the T and P wave in the same color. Could have marked them in different color. They seem to be pretty accurate. turn it into an API straight away. Wait a second. Just a few weird things about it. Forgot what it was. And the main thing. Yeah, eventually. Yeah, it would be good to do it in Python or something, because again, the main function in here is password protected, so I have to get rid of it. But that's yeah, I was able to get rid of another function, but this one will be harder to get rid of because it's the main. It's I don't know what is it doing exactly. Just have the front panel. The source code is behind the password. There's no documentation on it as well. I don't want to edit this for now. Just leave it as is. It's just an example. Yeah, eventually ideally we'll have something similar in another language. Well, ideally in Python or R. So just turn this one into API quickly. Then we have one input and a bunch of outputs. Cluster. Can you pass a cluster and an API? This is the bit I was fighting with for quite some time. But yeah, now it's working. So you can access the API from here. So if you do it from the same domain name, then the certificate works. Yeah, you can view the public certificate, and it's verifying that this domain is this domain. As you know. And yeah, it's encrypting. It's also what's allowing encrypt any communication between your browser and the server. So this one works, but probably don't need all this. It has these three waveforms. It's each for each color. It's the white, red, and green. We don't need. Wait. Still only have one value in it, so look right. Working, yes. So apparently, is it just Labview or National Instruments entirely was bought by someone? Emerson. I heard of Emerson, but yeah, there's a big press release and everything. I don't know if it was a hopefully for the employees it was not a surprise. Because yeah. Press release. That's not a lot. It's at 165 million. Yeah, for all these numbers at you, and says 8.2 billion. But yeah. No, they're acquiring NI, National Instruments. So they're doing a conference call today, 8 a.m. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think Labview was doing great after the whole NXG saga, which was a bit of a don't want to go into it, but yeah. So this is old Labview, old style. I'm pretty sure this kind of stuff, except this weird functions. Pretty sure that from 2014, some of the biomedical data stuff that they did. Because they haven't updated that biomedical toolkit since. Check it out if it has. Anyway, whatever I'm using, pretty sure it's from. I just don't want to show anything on this screen that might be copyright, because you never know. You're showing like NI logo or something, and then we'll them or Amazon will come after you. But yeah, release date of Biomedical Toolkit was February 2012. There is a 32-bit version as well, of course. And it's available in the JKI package management. Which is, I don't know, do you need to go there for updates? Yeah, they also did a bit of a messed up that bit as well. There's like 10 different places where you could find the updates and add-ons and things. Should have JKI installed. Yeah, it's also weird. Yeah, the VIPM checking for an error. September final result on server. Please check if the URL is correct. It's some error message. I haven't used it in a while anyway. Should uninstall it. Anyhow, yeah, ideally I would like to migrate this into R or Python. Any suggestions? are more than welcome. I only used really Labview and Matlab before, but both, well, Labview is Labview, but then Matlab is also quite expensive and a bit limited, I think, as well. I haven't checked what like more recent updates or improvements they have made. So where were we? So this is what sending the data is API. But yeah, probably have to break out yeah, I don't know, there's this have to be that complicated. What's this one doing? Sorry, this song is too loud, isn't it? By the way, let me know if you can hear me at all. Or if the background music is too annoying. Okay. Why is the output of this is not going anywhere? And this is not being used as well. What on earth? I have to break down all this code anyways, so might as well do it now. There is an option in Labview to select the code and turn it into a VI, turn it into a function. But is there a way to do that way around? Don't think so, is there? So I can just like this and go create. Where was it? Yeah, create sub VI. then out of a sub-VI. I can make space. Yes, ropes are vehicle. Sequence structure. Why? Okay. I didn't sequence structure. No. Sequence structure. Alright, so that worked. I don't think I ever did this before. What? Handy. Just checking if the array is empty, is it? Yeah, but do I really need this? Don't think so. I have to finish this tomorrow, probably next week. Next week sometime. So check out the website. Let me know if you have any questions. See you next time.